Q Services, Qwashers, telescopic lance. This is the 5.4 meters, quick release going in on the bottom side. What we simply do as well, some people get confused, so we simply put a sticker on there, loosen, and obviously tighten to make it easy to understand. So as you're looking at the writing, that turns either way. What I've also got here is the gooseneck system that goes into the end of there. We've also got the other accessories as well. Turbo nozzle, Vario nozzle, iron low pressure, also the swivel elbow system, tight one, so you can use all your accessories and everything else on the end of it. Yep, so if you've got the normal lance with a quick release at the end, so if you've got the normal one with quick releases, it means we can use all your accessories that you've got already at the end of this telescopic lance, just by simply having this little one here in place, which we'll show you now. So first of all, like I say, this will attach directly straight into the system. You've got two jets, one facing one way, one facing the other. When you're doing gutters and so on, you don't want lots and lots of pressure at times, so make sure you get it jetted right for the actual job you're doing. So that just screws in place there in that position. We've then got this with a bending, so your normal nozzles, your turbo nozzle if you wanted to, can work at the end of it. Your Vario can also work at the end of it, your high and low pressure Vario. We've also got that facility also, if you want to go straight on a job, you don't want the bend, we can then put this in. So it means same again, your turbo nozzle and your Varios can both go into the end, into the system itself. We've also got the tight swivel elbow, which we spoke about before, and that's set up. So if you're on a job and you're wanting to work backwards on yourself, a normal one, yep, so what we do is turn that, so it gives you, if you want to go straight you can do, but it's locked off a lot tighter. It gives you that option to change the angle. Yep. If you wanted to get on a job, you can then use this one as well and put your turbo nozzle or whatever directly straight in, or you can just simply put this in place and use the stuff. So like I just said before, if we get that and turn it, it then gives us the option to give us that angle. So that is the 5.4. 7.3 telescopic lances. They are awkward to use on that side, so try and stick to 5.4. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and that is a telescopic lance.